We cannot simply declare English as a global language. We'll have to see what a global language is. A language achieves a global status when it develops a special role recognized in every country. Now the question arises, what determines this special role? Does a language assume a special role if it is used as a mother tongue by a large number of countries? If that were the case, Spanish would be a global language as it is used by over 20 countries as mother tongue around the world. Or is it the sheer number of speakers which determine the status of a language? For example, English, which is used by millions of people in countries like America, England, Australia, etc. around the world. However, it is neither the mother tongue status nor the number of speakers which determine the global status of a language. It is who these speakers are, the identities of the speakers, which determine the status of a language. So, a global language is a language which is taken up by people in countries in which it is not the mother tongue. You must be wondering, how is that possible? It can be done in two ways. One, by making it the official language of the country. An official language is used in such domains as law courts, government, education, particularly higher education, and media. People should learn the official language as soon as possible to get by with life in these countries. The other thing that can encourage people to learn a foreign language is its ready availability for learning as a foreign language. For example, Russian was a popular foreign language to be learned in former Soviet Union states. Similarly, Mandarin Chinese is still a very popular language to be learned in South Asian countries. However, the language which tops the list of most widely learned foreign languages is English, with over 100 countries where it is taught as a foreign language in schools. These countries include countries like Saudi Arabia, Japan, China, Korea, and many Asian countries. So, a language goes through a three-pronged development. First, it develops as a first language, then as a second language, and then as a foreign language. It is inevitable that a language which has gone through these three stages of development will be spoken by more people in the world than any other language. English has already reached this stage. Today we have millions of speakers of English which use English as a first language, and an even larger number of people who use English as a second or official language. Today we have 1.5 billion speakers of English around the world. No other language can match this degree of growth and development.